I am doing laundry right now. It is Wednesday morning, day 3. And yeah, I'm doing laundry outside. I love doing laundry outside. It is just where laundry should be done. So this morning I was doing laundry and I was actually gonna go out and do laundry at the laundromat, but I found out that we have a washer and dryer outside our house. So I was doing that, so that saved me some time. I decided to come here and walk at KoOlina. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's about 7 a.m. Yes, I'm getting rained on now. Ah, there's my morning shower. I don't think this is a rain jacket. I think it's a wind jacket. This is the bathroom at Waianae. Reminds me of the Disney cruise. I am at the store by Waianae. They have everything here. I kind of know my way around here now. And make this turn onto in our neighborhood here. See, I'm climbing up this hill. Oh, there's a house for sale. I should go look. It says coming soon. All right, we always know we're by our house when we go by those boats. See, we're locals now, right? Oh, this is my street. Oh shoot, missed it. Oh, I thought I remembered where it was. Oh man, here is my house. Oh, everyone's probably gonna be like, where have you been, Mom? You've been gone so long, but it's only 8:30. Okay, I'm back. Thrift store shopping.
I found this.
Oh, good.
Got 3 pairs of shoes.
3 pairs of shoes and all those clothes for $79. That was so fun. This is our haul from Goodwill.
Nice.
Volcom, Nike, Billabong, Hurley, Adidas. We're climbing the Pillbox hike today. And as you see, it's raining. I got my nice towel with me, but we are very high up. Am I gonna make it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Take it slow.
All right. Just a little worried about this water coming down here, but I see Mark up there, and I don't know where my kids are. I don't know if you can see anything, but I'm doing this. I'm doing it. I'm in Hawaii. All right, it's looking a little better out there now. Still can't see the tops of the mountains, but I can't even film up here because I'm like shaking. Then let me get ahead of you. They're all the way down there. We should just like,
Oh, shoot.
We should just go all the way up to the pillbox. No, I mean like without them.
Oh, yeah. No, don't wait for me.
Wow, it's so pretty. Yeah. I'm videoing on the GoPro right now.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's amazing. Did they make this path? Wow, it's incredible. Wow, it's incredible. It's really cool.
It's raining again. Pouring and I have nowhere to hide. Time to hide under this tree, but it's not really working. And the good thing about out in Hawaii, there's no snakes in Hawaii. That's a good thing. Yes, so, yeah, and you can't really see much. So I hope the kids up there saw something, but we'll do it again. We'll do it again when it's sunny.
Hey, just be careful. Right past us, it's really, really rainy.
Okay,
It's just coming down.
thank you. It's fun. I think it's funner going in the rain, probably.
Good thing I wore a swimsuit, I guess.
Woo! I'm gonna call them and make sure they're okay. Because they're kind of taking a while. You're all good?
We're way down here still. Mommy was taking her sweet old time.
Oh. We're having a great time.
So, what?
Look at our cool view. We're having a great time.
It's so fun.
What, do they not like it?
Okay, we will. We're waiting underneath a tree.
We're not big hikers.
We're waiting underneath a tree. Okay. Bye.
What did they say?
You look so sick, Grace. You look like you're like
What did they
rough and
say?
They said Mommy's taking her sweet old time.
That's what I thought.
I don't know if we go that. Oh, wait. Yeah, you could fall down.
I'm just like trying to
Just be. Because it's slippery, but it's fine. This is so fun. Wow. It's amazing, and we're not even to the pillbox.
Where is
We're almost there, guys.
Oh, there's one up there.
You can go straight down.
I don't want to go straight down.
You go up there.
Careful. You need the bike over?
Yeah. This is so fun. Aloha made me do it. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my gosh! Which one do we go to? Go up? Let's go up here. Oh, here's one. This one's so cool. Oh my. There's a rain in it. Wow. This is amazing. Yeah, we can go to all of them. Look at this.
What is this?
It's a pillbox.
What's this one? It is. Oh no.
Oh no.
A lot of trash up here. Wow.
Now we're going up to the next one. You're just at that
I
one.
was wondering if you could go all the way.
You can.
What is that?
Woo! That's so cool.
Please be very careful.
We should do this on a sunny day too.
Oh Lord. Oh, it's very windy up here. Oh man. I don't know if I want you to go. Just knock you off very tall.
I'll go.
And we're not going any farther than this here.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
We can come back maybe on another day.
Okay.
Okay. I don't need to look at anything. Yeah, stay there. We're not going up.
Wow. We're literally at the top of a mountain. Oh, there's a cool one up there.
Yeah, on a different day, I came to the rain.
This is so cool. I love it. Isn't this awesome?
Hold on to rocks. Hold on to everything. Put your foot here. There you go. Put it in the little crevice
Pink pillbox? Wow! It's crazy. Wow. It's so cool.
We're in the pink.
We're in the pink pillbox.
You would freak out if you were up
I was freaking out. It's so scary.
here. Are you allowed to go to the very top no more? So, like, is there a walkway to go?
It's amazing. It's crazy.
Alright, kiddies, we gotta head down.
Okay. Is she wanting us to come?
Yep.
I just love it up here. It's really amazing. But on a sunny blue water day, I can't even imagine. Like, I would literally like, wow, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wow. I think it's gonna be harder going down because it's pretty hard. It's just so amazing. It's so foggy. We're in the clouds. We're in the clouds. What do they smell like? Going down. Oop. Oh, there's her towel. Ooh. I think they're all the way up there. I don't really know where they are. The mountain's so pretty. It's so fun. I could do this every day and never get tired of it. The weather's different every day. Now this may be a little bit difficult. Okay. Let's see.
I don't have the key. Send help. It's cold in it. I don't know where my family is. They're the last people to come down the mountain. Oh, I found a Grace. Oh, I'm so happy because she has the car key. Yay! Wow.
That was so fun.
Is everyone okay?
Oh yeah, I don't know where they are.
They are?
They're so slow.
Okay.
I don't know where they are. I just went way ahead.
Oh, you have the car key.
Oh.
Yay! That's
Where were
okay.
you?
I was up halfway up the mountain and I just waited there, but now I just came down.
Oh.
And there's Chase. Yeah, boy. And there comes Alexis and Mark. They made it. Hey, it's very slippery right there. There you go. Here I am telling it slippery and they just like went all the way up the mountain. Yay! Good job, guys! Awesome.